Today we'll be going over The Secret Garden, vocabulary and story elements, chapters 11 and 12. Our first vocabulary word, manor. The manor was surrounded by miles and miles of moors. Manor is a mansion. Is manor a mansion? Yes or no? Yes, manor is a mansion. Our next vocabulary word is governess. Lord Craven wanted to get a governess for Mary. Governess is a woman employed in a private home to train or teach a child. Is governess a toy? Yes or no? No, governess is not a toy. A governess is a woman employed in a private home to train or teach a child. Let's start with our story. Chapters 11 and 12. Mary rushed back to the manor, excited by the wonderful day, and told Martha all about the fun she had with Dickon. He knew so much about plants and how to make them grow. Mary was having a wonderful time planning how to bring the garden back to life. Lord Craven had returned to the manor and wanted to meet her. Martha helped Mary change into her best dress before meeting her uncle. Was Mary having a bad time with the garden? Yes or no? No. Mary was having a wonderful time planning how to bring the garden back to life. Let's continue with our story. Lord Craven had an unhappy face, but he seemed nice. He said he had meant to get her a governess, but Mary said she did not need one. Mary told him she liked to jump rope and run and play in the gardens. He said he knew nothing about children and could not give her much attention, but he wanted her to be happy and comfortable. Mary met Lord Craven. Did Lord Craven want Mary to be happy? Yes or no? Yes. Lord Craven wanted Mary to be happy and comfortable. Mary asked if she could have her own garden. Lord Craven told her she reminded him of someone who had loved gardens. Later, Mary told Martha that he was a wonderful man, but she was worried because he looked so sad. Mary met Lord Craven. Did Mary think Lord Craven was mean? Yes or no? No, Mary did not think Lord Craven was mean. Mary told Martha that she thought he was a wonderful man, but she was worried because he looked so sad. Let's start with our story elements. Can you tell me a character in this story? Yes, Mary was a character in this story. Can you name another character in this chapter? Yes, Dickon was another character in this chapter. Can you name another character in this chapter? Yes, Martha was the other character in this chapter. Can you name the last character in this chapter? Yes, Lord Craven was the last character in this chapter. Let's move on to the setting. The setting is where the story is taking place. Do you remember where the story is taking place? Yes, the manor in England. The story is taking place in the manor in England. Do you know the problem of the story? Yes, Mary was going to meet Lord Craven. Do you know the solution to the problem? Yes, Mary thought Lord Craven was sad, but nice. Don't forget to do your exit ticket at the end. Until tomorrow.